Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you wanna come inside my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Say it with me. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Go, Donald, listen, Daisy, Goofy, it's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. And I see that you are. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.